Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you everything I purchased in Dior during their summer sales. Last time I posted a shopping vlog from Dior sales. It was the unofficial sales week and I definitely had to go because during sales, if you want to find the right item in your size, you have to go the first day or the second day. Otherwise, there is just not much stock left. And I was there during the second day. I came there at 11 in the morning. The shop opened at 10 and it was packed full of people. It was chaotic there during their second day of unofficial sales, you know, so I cannot even imagine what it's like during the official sales. And last year I filmed the same video and you guys seem to love it. That's why I've decided to film it this year as well. A lot of you were interested which pieces went on sale, and in that shopping vlog I definitely share everything with you and I try to share as much of the prices as well. So I'll link it up here. If you haven't watched that video, make sure to check it out. But today's the day I'm gonna finally unbox everything that I purchased that day. I have this massive bag behind me. It's so big and heavy. Oh, it was so crazy carrying it back home, and I was walking back home and it's not that close, so I was literally dying. It was almost 30 degrees outside. I was wearing my jeans. It was horrible. And then that same day I actually returned back to Dior to pick up 2 more pieces, so I just cannot wait to unbox everything with you. By the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings, so if you're interested in any of these topics, then make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also turn on the bell to be notified every time I post something new. And you can also follow me on Instagram. It's at bonjouraika. And with that said, let's get started. So should we start from this bag? I honestly don't even remember what I bought, and it's a mix of everything. As always, I had to do some personal shopping for my family as well. So guys, don't be surprised. I just share everything with you, everything I buy. And okay, so what do we have here? We've got a ready-to-wear piece as well as 3 pairs of shoes here. And I think there's supposed to be something else. Okay, yes, I see everything. Let's start with the smallest item. I also picked 2 pieces for my friend. I mentioned it in a vlog, but she went there the first day before they closed and she didn't have time to check out the accessories, so she asked me to send her pictures. I did, and she chose 2 pieces. So number 1 is in this dust bag, and it was also my favorite piece, one of the favorite pieces from the sales, and it's this beautiful Dior brooch, and it is so pretty. They actually had 2 of the same brooches, so maybe I should go back and get myself one as well because I really love it. It's in the shape of a pin. It has Dior and O letter, has all these cute little crystals inside in yellow gold, and I think it's just the cutest brooch ever. The original price was 430 and I paid for it 258 Swiss francs. And the second item that she got is right over here, and it's a twilly. Sorry, in Dior it's called Mitza scarf. So this is what it looks like. And she decided to go for this one. They had 3 different options. I'm gonna put a picture here or a video so you can see. And she decided to go for this one because she recently bought herself a Lady Dior Delight Lady Dior in gray color. It just looks so beautiful, and she also wanted to add this twilly on one of the handles, and it has a little bit of this bluish gray color here in little parts all around this Mitza. So we tried it on a different Lady Dior, same one, same color, and it looked really good together. She was like, yes, I'm definitely taking it. And the Mitza was 210 original price and we got it for 126, I believe. So it was a really good price. That's what I bought for my friend. Now let's move on to the next pieces. Since I started with the accessories, so let's move on to the SLGs. I was surprised they had such nice SLGs this time, because usually, like last year, 2 years ago, they had some SLGs as well, but they were older styles for sure not same season styles, and they just weren't that nice, to be honest. But this year the selection at Dior was so amazing, and I'm also going to show you the shoes a little bit later, and you guys are gonna die because they're so amazing. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw them on sale. But here's the box, the first item, and here's another item. So I went for 2 SLGs. I'm not sure which one's which, so let's start with this one. You know, another thing I love that Dior sprays your bags with their perfume. Like right now I'm filming this video and I can smell that Dior scent and it smells so nice. So here's the box. Oh, I see it. So here's the first piece. This is the dust bag, and here is the item I went for. This is item number 1. I got this cute little saddle card holder in this beautiful gray color, ultra matte, so all the hardware is also in matte gray, as you can see, to match the color of the leather. It's a full leather, pretty spacious card holder. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots inside, which is more than enough, and it is very roomy, so you can fit a bunch of cards inside. It doesn't have a pocket at the back. And when I saw this card holder on sale, I honestly could not believe it, because this is such an iconic style. The saddle bag, saddle accessories, they are so iconic for Dior. It was a major comeback a few years ago, and seeing a card holder on sale, I had to get it. This was the only color available, and the original price was 430 Swiss francs, just like the brooch, and I paid 258, and I thought it was such a steal and such a great price for such a beautiful piece. And now let's move on to the second SLG that I got. This one I actually didn't see, so I saw the card holder. I didn't buy it when I first went to Dior. I don't know why. I thought, well, I have enough card holders, I don't need another one. And then I changed my mind, so I asked my SA to reserve it. I came back for it. I asked if she had any other pieces like similar to this one, and she showed me this one, so I didn't even know it was on sale. It didn't even take me that much time to think about it. I was just like, yes, I'm gonna take it as well. Please wrap it as well. And the second item, ta-da! No, it's not the same thing. I know you might be thinking, what the hell, she took 2 same card holders. This is actually different. So this is also ultra matte, same color card holder, in gray, saddle style, very beautiful. But can you see the 2 little loops, which can mean one thing only? It is a little card holder on a chain. It has a different closure, so this is a magnetic closure, and inside there is only one pocket, which looks like this, and it is so spacious. It will for sure fit a bunch of different cards, cash, coins. It also comes with this long chain, so you can crossbody it as a mini handbag, which is so cute. This is such a big trend right now to wear little card holders as mini bags. The chain is also ultra matte in gray, but I can choose any other chain if I want to. It is removable, just like this. I can add a different strap, maybe gold, maybe silver, and then it has 2 loops at the back, so I can turn this little guy into a belt bag, and this is so cool. I'm not gonna do it now because it takes some time. I tried it on in store though, and it looked really cool to wear as a little belt with jeans. I'm pretty sure it will look so great, and I just fell in love with this little guy. So the retail price was 710 Swiss francs, which is okay because Chanel is way more expensive, and I paid for it. I'm not sure why, but they calculated the total as well. So the total price I paid for both was 684 Swiss francs, and if the other one was 280, I guess this one was around 400 Swiss francs, which is an amazing price for such a cute little wallet on a chain, like a mini card holder on a chain. I think I was just lucky that I asked my SA. So let's open this ready-to-wear piece. It came with a beautiful Dior case, as well as the hanger. And the other item I picked up is this gorgeous jacket. It is such a beautiful piece, guys. Oh my god, it is like a kimono. It's in this beautiful silk material. What I love the most about it is that it does not crease, so you can do whatever you want with it and you won't get any creases. And this is honestly the best part. It also has two pockets and this cool belt that goes around your waist. Initially, I love the look of Dior jackets together with a thick belt, but in this case you don't even need a belt because it already comes in a package. And oh, this is such a beautiful piece, and I love that it is a little bit shiny. And even on sale it was still a little bit pricey, but it was almost 2 times cheaper. The original price was over 3,000, which is insane, and I paid under 2,000. And now let's unbox some shoes. I have 3 pairs in my bag. So number 1 is here. Okay. Number 2 is here, and the third one is over there. Let's start with this one. And the first pair that I got are this beautiful espadrilles. So I saw them a couple of months ago. They were a part of the cruise collection, I think. I'm not sure, but I saw them together with other espadrilles. They have these tiny little holes in them. They're super breathable and I just love them so much. They're also very soft and comfy. They also came in nude, but they didn't have my size. Even though I came on the second unofficial sales day, they didn't have the sizes already. But they had them in black, and I think black is also very beautiful. It is not such a summery color, but because they have this little holes in them, they're going to be still very breathable and easy to walk. They're pretty lightweight, and the price was super nice. Original price was $690 for this ones, and I paid $414, I guess. They have this Christian Dior on top of them. That's number 1. The next pair that I got is here, and when I saw them on the photo, I knew I was gonna take them because they were a dream of mine for such a long time. We've got another pouch here with extra laces. So if you watched my shopping vlog, you 100% know what this is, guys. Again, 2 dust bags. I cannot believe I have them. Oh, I cannot believe it. Okay, are you guys ready? The next shoes that I got are the sneakers. They were a dream of mine for about 4 years. I've dreamt about these shoes for the longest time ever. And I say longest time ever pretty often, but this time I mean it. For the longest time ever. Maybe even longer than 4 years, maybe 5 years. Ever since these shoes were released, and it's been a hot minute. So I finally have them, and I am just super happy they were available, and I managed to get them in my size, 37.5. I love the colors. They're everything I wanted. So they have black, but they also have some peach and beige and blue, and I know these sneakers will go with absolutely everything. Dark outfits, bright outfits, and they're so perfect for both spring, summer and fall, and even winter if it's warmer outside, because they have every color but every neutral color, and I wanted them so bad. You guys just don't understand. The main reason why I never pulled the trigger and bought them was the price point. They look like Converse sneakers, and I used to love them when I was back in middle school. I used to wear a lot of Converse, and I had them in blue and white, and they were my favorite shoes. So this was so nostalgic to see, but a high-end version of Converse sneakers. But I could not justify the price. $950 in my opinion is so expensive for a pair of shoes like this. This is not leather. This is not leather. This part is not leather. There is no leather on the shoes except for the inside. But this is all fabric, and rubber and just the design, the Converse style. I thought it was so expensive for this kind of shoes, and I do own a few pairs of shoes that were over $9.50, but I could not justify the price for this particular style, and I still wanted it so bad, and they were on sale, and of course I had to get them. 40% off was such a steal, so I paid, well, not really a steal, but compared to $9.50 it was. I paid 560 Swiss francs, and this is the price I'm willing to pay for these shoes, not a penny more. And I couldn't be happier that I have them. They are so comfy. I want to start using them like now, but it's boiling hot outside. It's like 30 degrees. I'm gonna die walking in this, but I still want to wear them so bad. They have a beautiful sole with the stars. Oh, I cannot believe they're mine. And here's the last pair of shoes that I picked up. These are the shoes I was also very surprised to see, because neither this style nor this style ever go on sale, so I was really surprised. And that's why I'm telling you guys, the selection at Dior this year was incredibly good. I got the D-Way slides 40% off in the most beautiful yellow color. It's like golden yellow with black, very neutral and super popular right now, with turquoise sole. The reason why my SA showed me the shoes is because they were in my size, and they only had two pairs of the sandals on sale, and probably that's why they went on sale, because they only had two sizes left. So 37.5 and 38.5, and I'm a 37.5. She knows it. She brought them to me, and I was like a million times yes. She just showed them to me, and I was like, I'm taking them, because you can never find these sandals on sale. They're so popular. Everyone's wearing them. Everyone loves them. I got the shoes for my sister, actually, not for me. We have the same size. Since I have the same pair in blue oblique but with a kitten heel, I've decided that I don't need them, and my little sister, she really wanted the shoes. I've decided to get them for her. The retail price is $650 and I paid $414, and I actually said that I paid $414 for the espadrilles. No, I think they were a little bit more expensive, but I can't remember at this point. I just have a lot of numbers in my head, and yeah, maybe the receipt will tell. The other receipt wasn't helpful at all. No, the receipt doesn't tell. It just... Why? Why do they do this? They just put everything together. They put one article, one quantity, and the price of everything. This is so strange. Anyway, this is everything I scored this year, and I think I did a pretty good job getting all of these pieces that I wasn't expecting to see on sales. What do you guys think? What is your favorite piece? Leave a comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!